two freight cars, Daddy.
Okay, so what is this?
The freight car.
The freight car?
Yeah. This way, Thomas, there is a freight car. Turn along.
And where's the freight car?
These ones are freight cars.
Okay.
And these hop on those. So we hop on. And we need some more
What do we need more of?
of this bowl.
You're just bringing everything and putting it on the couch over here, Gianmarco. How is this a train?
The train needs to put something in the freight car.
Oh, okay. Why are you doing that?
Because we need to post something to someone else.
We need to bring something to someone else?
Yes.
Well, that's really nice of us. We're really useful.
Yeah, and we need this map there.
We need what?
This map there.
You need the map?